Hi, I'm Trish from Hootsuite social media team, and I'm going to walk you through how I use advanced analytics to prove the value of social media for my business. First, let's head over to the main reporting dashboard. This is pulling in all organic and the most exciting part, IMO, web metrics from our GA4 or Adobe Analytics accounts. This means I can see my results all the way down the funnel, from impressions to web traffic to dollar signs. It's a super versatile dashboard. I can narrow down what I'm looking at by social network and account, by post type, and then I can also select the metrics I'm interested in right now, today. You can see that I have all the usual suspects, as well as metrics from GA4 and Adobe down at the bottom. I do want to point out that this ROI metric is a score based on a customizable point system, so that you can see at a glance which content is most effective at mapping back to your business goals. I can also click into a post to see all of its individual performance metrics arranged by customer journey, so affinity, awareness, going down towards intent and conversion. At the top here, I can add a tag to each post so that it's grouped properly in my reports. I don't usually do this manually though, because I've got rules set up to tag posts automatically. I can also make a custom filter that just shows me posts from a certain campaign or with a certain tag. Okay, time for another game changer, designing custom metrics. For instance, I'm a CRO nerd and I want click-through reads for my organic posts, not just the ads. In my last job, I had to do this individually, checking each post and updating a spreadsheet every week. Now look at me now. It's amazing. Okay, now let's look at the comparison dashboard where I can compare Q1 to Q2 to Q3, Facebook to Instagram to LinkedIn to TikTok, paid to organic. You get the idea. I just pick my baseline and then pull it in the groups I want to compare so that I can see what's working and what's not. This tool looks simple, but it's capable of reporting on some super complex scenarios. Finally, it's time to go beyond the math and see the actual business impact. This is my ROI scorecard where my total ad spend and total return pops up. My ROI here is calculated based on that customizable point system I mentioned earlier, so that this number is an accurate reflection of how effectively my social content is hitting our goals. Now that I have all of this info, I want to share it with my team. I can pick from any of the easy to understand report templates, or I can create my own. Add the relevant metrics, adjust the visuals, and schedule it to send it out every Tuesday. This is how I catch meaningful patterns that will help me make better decisions and reach my targets faster. Want to see more? Get in touch for a custom demo today.